What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? It is your boy D Fat Stacks. It is Wednesday, July 28th, and yes, I am melting. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick, little lesson on kind of what to look for when it comes to good companies and what to invest in. Now, you guys know I'm a dividend investor, so I look at companies that have a long history of paying out dividends. Now, these two companies we're gonna be using today, Chevron and AbbVie, are both dividend aristocrats, meaning that they have been increasing their base dividend and they have been paying out for over 25 plus years. Now, first we will start with Chevron. Now, there are 41 hedge funds that have Chevron in their portfolios. So Chevron is one of the top dogs when it comes to energy stocks. And if you hadn't had a chance to get into Chevron, 2020 was a good way to get into that stock because of the fact that obviously energy was in a negative back then. So good time to pick it up, because if you guys don't see the stock price where it's at now, I believe it's over 100 and something. But it is one of those stocks that I do own. Here is an example of the debt. You make sure you guys can read it. So what's important is when you're looking at the debt ratio, if a company's debt ratio is under 1, that's a very good sign. So, all right, the next thing we're going to talk about is AbbVie, a biotech company. Now, you guys know when it comes to biotech, especially when it comes to advanced medicine, you guys know it's very important for some of these companies, and AbbVie is definitely one of the top dogs. You have 72 hedge funds that have this AbbVie in their portfolio. So once again, if you check out its debt ratio, which I do have both of them circled for Chevron and AbbVie, as you can see, as long as the debt ratio is below a 1, solid company. But also to compare it with other companies in their field as well. But like I said, you guys make sure you read, check out information, look at the charts that I put out. If you see companies with solid numbers like these, 9 times out of 10, this company is gonna be around for another 20 something years. And so that's what I'm looking for when I'm investing in a company. I'm looking to invest for 20 plus years, not 10, not 15, 20 plus. So when I'm looking at dividends, solid company and growth, a lot of these companies that were down in 2020, a few of them that I have picked up, it's definitely showing promise going forward. But you will always have a chance to buy dips here and there. And that is also another thing on these charts. If you look at the charts, I have also circled where it is a good time where I would buy in on these dips. So hopefully this helps you. You guys have a good day. Be safe.